Welcome to Wellness with Lubina. As the monsoon clouds roll in with their beauty and blessings, they also bring a wave of seasonal challenges: colds, fevers, coughs, and viral. But don't worry, nature has solutions. In this video, I'll guide you through simple and effective homeopathic remedies to strengthen your immunity and support your healing during the rainy season. Whether it's prevention or quick relief, this natural protocol has your back. So grab a warm cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dive into this gentle healing journey together. Let's go through the monsoon immunity protocol. At the first sign of symptoms, start immediately with Aconite. If the symptoms are sudden, you feel chilly or fearful and anxious, then move on to Arsenicum 2 hours later, if not on the mend, and the symptoms have developed to burning in the lungs, breathlessness, sneezing, and fever. If feverish and uncomfortable, it might be time to cool down. Start with Belladonna. As your temperature rises, you get red-hot flush, sensitive to light and noise. Or try Bryonia if there's a dry cough, thirst, and desire to be still. Supportive remedies you might want to try for specific symptoms: Eupatorium if there's body ache, thirst, headache; Ferrum Phosphoricum mild slow-onset fever; Gelsemium if extremely drowsy, tired, with fluctuating fever. Prevention and immune support remedies. Influenzyme prevents cold, coughs, and flu, and Oscillococcinum boosts immunity. These two remedies can help you recover faster and be used to prevent symptoms. Then we have symptom-specific remedies for lingering symptoms: Natromure for sneezing, runny nose and eyes; Nux Warm, chilly, irritable, nauseous; Pulsatilla develops thick mucus, emotional, and needs support. Always remember, match the remedy to symptoms, use one remedy at a time, consult your homeopath if unsure, and it's safe for the whole family. You can strengthen your immunity naturally. Save this protocol for your monsoon wellness kit. If you need help, just get in touch or DM me at Lubinaremedies. I'm always happy to help.